Welcome to Christmas in July 2023. So, kicking off Christmas in July, I am going to be giving you guys some decorating inspiration for the upcoming Christmas season. I am going to be throwing in some oldies but goodies videos, and I'm also going to be giving you guys some new and fresh inspiration for Christmas this year. So definitely hang tight. I hope that you guys are inspired from these videos and that you too can know that you can create things that are beautiful and affordable for your Christmas holiday. So let's sit back, relax, and enjoy. Fams, welcome back to another episode, and welcome if you are new here. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. So today I am going to be giving you guys a dining room tour, and I just want to kind of take you guys through the beginning stages of this dining room. Y'all know I've been trying to get this dining room to look a certain way, and I think that I finally achieved it with the new look of it. It's not totally done. I still have some things that I am going to be doing to it, even during Vlogmas. Some new furniture pieces that I am going to be adding to it as well. So you guys will get to see all of that throughout Vlogmas as well. But I just love the way that it is right now. It's moody, it's beautiful, it's warm, it's cozy, and it still has that traditional style that I am known for. So definitely go ahead, sit back, relax, and enjoy this tour. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Shushana. On my channel, I do lots of home decor, seasonal decors, lifestyle vlogs, and cleaning motivation. If that's something you're interested in watching, I do upload 2 to 3 times a week. I would love for you to consider subscribing and becoming a part of our family here on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I am not going to jump in anymore. I want you guys to enjoy the video and enjoy the music, and I will see you guys tomorrow in Vlogmas Day 3. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Bye, guys.
got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belts. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arms. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.